Dealing with construction permits can be daunting, but with Swift Permits, it's a different story. We specialize in permits for residential outdoor structures, transforming complex processes into a smooth, efficient experience. Whether it's for an elegant pool or a custom outdoor living space, we're here to streamline your journey from concept to permit. Our expert team navigates Southern California's intricate municipal codes and zoning regulations with skill, ensuring your product complies with every detail. Swift Permits not only accelerates the permit process, but also provides custom crafting and 3D modeling, bringing your vision to life with precision and style. Our dedication to outstanding customer service simplifies the permit process from the very beginning. For discerning homeowners and top-tier contractors in Southern California, choosing Swift Permits means opting for a hassle-free, streamlined permit experience. Swift Permits, empowering your outdoor projects with expertise and simplicity. Visit us at swiftpermits.com to begin your journey.